Hi everyone, welcome back. Have you ever thought about how much time you're wasting during compile or domain reloads? Maybe you have tried to prove to your boss that a significant chunk of your day is lost waiting for the engine to load. But it's hard without solid numbers. While browsing Reddit, I came across a cool free plugin called Time Waster. It tracks your compile and reload times. Very handy. But I thought, why not make my own version that's a bit more advanced and also a fun challenge. So I created a Time Waster Stats, a lightweight Unity editor plugin made up of 3 scripts. Time Waster Tracker, the main logic behind everything. History Tracker keeps track of recent compile and reload data. And Time Waster window draws the editor UI. There's a lot going on under the hood, but I will keep this video short and jump straight into the features. At the top of your scene view, you will see a new overlay called Life Wasted. It shows you the total amount of time wasted, and right below that, the last compile and reload durations. You can also open the full window by going to Window, Time Waster Stats. Inside the window, you will find total wasted time, how much time you have lost so far, and a breakdown by type, separate stats for compile time and domain reloads. Performance history, a bar chart of the last 20 compiles reloads, so you can spot trends like unusual long operations or averages, maximum and minimum. And performance analysis, display your longest compile and reload and when it happened. And the setting panel, a few helpful options like show overlay in scene view, toggle the top overlay on and off, and enable notifications and auto analysis. Get notified if a reload takes too long. The default thresholds are 50 seconds for compile time and 20 seconds for domain reload. You can easily tweak this in the Time Waster Tracker script to match your workflow. When an operation exceeds the threshold, you will get a warning and you will have the option to check optimization tips or disable future warnings. It also logs some useful info to the console for quick debugging. And for settings buttons, refresh updates the data immediately, and resets all data clears your current session's history. All data is persistent. It will remain even if you close and reopen the project. So if you want to track your work per session, it's a good idea to hit the reset before starting a new workday. At the bottom, you will find optimization tips to help you reduce load times. If you want to dive deeper, there is also a link to the official Unity documentation. Overall, this is a great plugin to help you track, analyze, and reduce wasted time in Unity. By understanding your compile and reload patterns, you can optimize your project and work more efficiently. I have made it as light as possible so it won't slow down your editor in any way. Feel free to use it and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you want more tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.